artillerymen of the 1st Donetsk Army Corps continued to destroy the enemy in the Avdiivka direction. The scouts found a mortar battery of the armed forces of Ukraine and transmitted the coordinates to our artillerymen, after which an accurate blow was delivered to the enemy. There are no enemy leave alive. After confirmation, the firing crew went to work. The attack was precise, but the number of enemy casualties has not been calculated yet. Avdiivka is a city in the Donetsk region in eastern Ukraine. It is located approximately 18 kilometers north of the city of Donetsk and about 80 kilometers south of the city of Kharkiv. Avdiivka is located near the front line of the conflict between Ukraine and Russia, which has been ongoing since 2014 until now. The footage was published by DPR official Telegram on May 1, 2023. Russian forces eliminate up to 385 Ukrainian soldiers in Donetsk region. 8 Ukrainian drones destroyed by Russia's air defenses, 5 sabotage and reconnaissance groups eliminated in Kharkov region, East Ukraine. Russian missile strikes disrupt production of ammunition after successful hit on Ukrainian military-industrial complex. The Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov said in total 413 Ukraine jet fighters, 230 helicopters, 3,913 unmanned aerial vehicles, 421 air defense missile systems have been destroyed. Also 8,927 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,095 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,703 field artillery guns and mortars, as well as 9,893 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed since the beginning of the special military operation. The other side from Kiev, the armed forces of Ukraine said Russia lost 450 servicemen in a single day. In total, Russia lost 190,960 servicemen during the full-scale aggression. President of Ukraine Volodymyr condemned Russia mass missile strike last night. Zelensky started this Monday and the new week with an hour-long meeting with all levels of government and defense. The head of government, ministers, the office, the commander-in-chief, the heads of the main intelligence directorate and the foreign intelligence service, the head of the security service, and the NSDC secretary delivered reports. The first issue is the consequences of Russian strikes, including missile attacks, said Zelensky. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 434 days. There are still no peace agreements between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.